What's up, you guys? I'm coming at you with another pack opening today, and I have a new background. Check it out. I thought it was appropriate. Let me know what you guys think. Now, the cards that I did get today are from Crown Zenith. I have 3 packs, so this will probably be in 3 parts. Let's get cracking. Pack number 1, you guys. Fire energy. Alright, friends. Trekking shoes. Mating. Digging duo. Troopy. Starly. Switch. Execute. Love disc. Enamorous. And Leopard. There we go, guys. That is pack number